When I create learning content, I want to make sure that the tone that I use, the language that I use, the visuals are something that's really going to speak to the student that I'm trying to reach, and that the first that they feel is welcomed. My name is Kossia. I currently serve as the Chief Academic Officer at Almost Fun, which focuses on unlocking joy and confidence in math learning. One of the exciting things that I get to do is leading the content creation for the free student lessons that we post on our website. As a teacher, I taught 4 years of physics. From there, what I noticed was just like some students were really struggling with math, and I just felt like a drive in me to want to bridge that gap. Math is a gateway to multiple opportunities, whether you want to become like a scientist or go off into space, or a musician, like you want to work with beats. It's just like a lens and a tool that can really just open up creativity. That's what led me into my work and my role at Almost Fun, where we're just working to close that gap as it relates to math learning. I always knew I wanted to become a teacher. Where that came from is little Grace being in the classroom. The whiteboards came out, I was like, oh my gosh. And then the smart boards came out, I was like, it's done. I know what I want to do. But when I look at it now, I realize that it was really just me like having an appreciation for what my teachers had done for me, the extent that they had gone through to make sure that I was receiving the supports that I needed. They saw something in me, they believed in me. For me as an immigrant who came to the United States as a refugee from the Congolese Civil War, teachers were like, if it weren't for my teachers, I would not be here today. And it can be done for someone else. And even if it's just one person, I said that's what drives all my work. Like there's work, there's life's work, and that's what drives my life's work.